face in your face.
What the hell is going on down there?
So it's always fun to have when there's something local going on, and yeah, well, we have to climb a little bit and to get to where we can see the bikes going by. But for now, most of them are kids, and they go, well, you got kids first, then you go youth, and then the older guys like me, 40, 45, 50, get on. And well, it's fun to watch. Yeah. Huh. Huh. Volkswagen ID bus, electric bus, I guess. Yeah. Cool.
Da var 2 timer gått.
So
Vi
they've been driving
vet
for
med
2 hours,
sikkerhet
and
at
that's the last lap for these guys. And the
Team
next
Axel,
guys are
som vi
coming,
venter på passering, leder med en
getting
hel
ready to
runde.
get on the track for 2 more
Har
hours.
stukket av med seieren foran
And only because it's me again, if you can see, it's a flat bottle. Nice. All right. I've got some rain on my lens somewhere. Well, I'm shining bright, huh? Back. We took the boys to motocross event today. Got some filming done from that and drove the boys back home so they could be with their friends, and me and my wife went to shopping mall, got me some clothes, and back here in my truck before dinner. We're just moving this Caterpillar tomorrow, Sunday, so I thought I'd just get it loaded today before dinner, so I'm all ready tomorrow morning. Yeah, it started raining, but the weather's good. It's there's no wind. Well, you can't say it's warm, but it's about 11 degrees or so Celsius, so that's pretty good. It's warm enough to sweat in these here coveralls, but yeah, so just follow along and I'll be loading this here excavator. So yeah, all the cross chaining in the rear and in the front. So because I don't want it to go anywhere. I want it to stay on for the whole ride. So there you have it. And I'll also, I don't need it, but I'll put one on the rotor tilt. But well, it doesn't really need it, but I'll put chains on in the front as well, so it won't move. And also I put the blade all the way into the front of the trailer, so it should be secured. And also I've got wood put in squares in the trailer, so, and there's a lot of wood squares underneath the belts on the excavator, so shouldn't go anywhere. I've got some rubber mats for not hurting the paint too much. Just a bit more. Yep, so we're done loading it, strapping it down, we're ready to go. Just thought I'd show you some of the view. There's hardly any wind at all, but it started to rain, so just it's a perfect opportunity for me to show you some of our shoreline. So this is the port entrance to Oklahoma, the small city I live in. We're located at the far end of a small island called Kalmøy. Our next door neighbor is the North Sea. And oh, that's our customer. We've got some beautiful beaches on about 3 kilometers of sand beaches. You can see some of the sand even by down in the water. But that way we've got a beautiful beach, which in summertime is pretty nice if we get the weather. It's not always we have nice weather in the summertime either, so, but it really depends. I'll just go talk to this guy because he's the guy that wanted me to move his excavator, so I'll be back shortly. Well, we're just on the way to work and parked the truck and the excavator for today, and I'll pick up tomorrow morning and deliver it. A couple of hours drive from here, so yeah, it's as you all can see, it's starting to rain. But we're just going to take a left in this roundabout over here, and our shop is just on the other side. Well, 4 or 5 minutes from here. So see y'all tomorrow. Saw that excavator over there. That's an old bright excavator made in Norway. That the guy that owns this company, Vassbakkestol, started with. Now they're over 600 employees, but when he started back in the 70s, that's the excavator he started with. Yeah, so I was talking about the excavator, and on the pedestal that you saw barely in the video clip, they took out the engine and everything inside it and painted it and made it look brand new as it did in the 70s, and it now works as it shows the direction of the wind. When it blows, it turns with the wind, so pretty cool, pretty cool. Yep, so just waiting for the customer, because he had to join me where we're supposed to deliver. He had to be before me because something with the space or something, I don't know. But we'll just wait for him. That's not too good of a... But I checked the brakes and went over everything just to see if anything was warm, but looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. put some blinkers on it. Right there. And somewhere about here. And also 2 in the front and one on each side up there. We haven't connected them yet, so I'm just using these flashers. I've got blinkers on in the rear on the trailer, but the truck didn't have any, so we put them on Friday. Ran the wires and everything, but we haven't connected it yet, so that'll be a project for someday this week. But then we should be covered because we've got in the rear, and we then have on the sides and in the front, so we're visible 360 degrees.